to add or subtract working days to a date so that you can calculate a date in the future or past that skips customized weekends and holidays, you can use the Workday.INTL function. See the syntax of the function. Start date, a date that represents the start date. Days, the number of working days you want to add or subtract to the start date. This number can be positive to add working days or negative to subtract working days. A positive value for days yields a future date and a negative value yields a past date. Weekend indicates the days of the week that are weekend days and are not considered working days. Holidays, optional, an optional list of one or more dates that should also be skipped. By default, the Workday.INTL function will exclude weekends, Saturday and Sunday. For example, we have start date in A2 and workdays in B2. A list of holidays in cells A5 to A10. To add 90 workdays to the start date, use this formula. The formula returns a serial number representing a particular date in Excel. To get the number displayed as date, open the Format Cells dialog box. On the Number tab, select Date in the category list and choose the date format you want. As you enter the function, Excel displays a menu as soon as you go into the third argument. Simply select the appropriate weekend code and press Enter. For example, select Sunday to set weekend as only Sunday. Weekend code can also be entered as a string value. String values are 7 characters long and each character in the string represents a day of the week starting with Monday. 1 represents a non-work day and 0 represents a work day. Only the characters 1 and 0 are permitted in the string. For example, all zeros would result in no weekend and will count all the days. 5 zeros 1 1 would result in a weekend that is Saturday and Sunday. 6 zeros and 1 would result in a weekend that is only Sunday. We can also supply a list of holidays as the fourth argument, and the holidays and Sundays will be excluded. To download the Excel file used in this video, please click on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.